Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to view your comments on the YouTube app. I'll show you two different ones. I'll show you one where you're able to see the comments you have made on other people's videos, and also the one where other people have made comments on your videos on your channel. Now, so the first one, come here at the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then you can come here at the top right, click on the settings cog, or you can even click on view all for history. And then I want you to click on these three dots here at the top right and click on Manage All History. Now, right here, we want to choose the option that says Interactions. So click on this, and then I can click on Comments and Replies, and you're able to see all the comments you have made on other people's videos. And if you want to see the comments people have made on your videos, you can come here, click on the profile icon, click on View Channel, and then you can click on here, this analytics option. Okay, scroll all the way down, click on Go to YouTube Studio, and then you can click on Community and see all the comments people have made. Okay, you can even come here and click on View All to see all the lifetime comments. Really that easy and simple.